Alright, so Mike from Harvey Coachworks, and this is the first video on the 54 Ford custom Stepside. This was a show truck, pretty famous show truck from what I understand. It is all electric. It's lead batteries. It's got 18 Trojan 8-volt batteries in it, and we'll be recabling the pack and cleaning it up and making sure they're installed right, and putting in a hydraulic bed lift in there, which I'll do a separate video on. We removed a generator setup that was in this box, and we'll show you that because we're going to basically restructure that box. Here's a shot of the back. You can see there's basically 3 battery trays. They're pretty beefy, 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch. Flat stock, all welded well, done by a professional. That's all good. What I wanted to show you though was come around the side. There's the charger plug. We'll be putting the J1772 setup in there. You see, these are the last 4. I left them in for illustration, but you notice the only thing really insulating these is some flimsy Formica. We got some issues where they didn't do any treatment on the posts, and you see those little lock washers there. We'll be replacing those with Belva washers and cleaning up the batteries. But the biggest issue I found was, you see all the space around all the batteries inside the box. I assume this is because the original batteries were probably bigger. And there's no hold downs at all to hold these batteries in except the cables, which is really bad for the batteries and very dangerous if the vehicle were ever to roll or flip or hit a bump at super high speed. Some of these cells could pop up out of the box and short out up under here. So we're probably going to do something to tighten that up, probably with some plywood or maybe some insulated foam and some angle iron with some threaded rod to hold down the batteries, probably along here on the strap here. We'll hit this with a piece of angle. As long as we're far enough away from the posts themselves, I think we'll be okay. We'll insulate those or something. Anyway, this is the first of many. This is the interior, so there's some work to do there, which I'll show you separately. This is under the hood, which looks like a little bit like a science fair project. Done a while ago. It was done well originally. There was a big Zyvan charger here that ran off the generator. You can see the cable down there. That was coming from the generator, which was a gas-driven kind of 2-stroke deal in the back with a tank that you could start up and run and charge the car. But that's caught fire. The motor caught fire, so didn't blow up or anything, thank God. But it's out, and that box will be empty now, and we'll detail more of the specifics as we go. Thanks for watching, and look forward for more.